Hey everyone, it is Time Crunch Tuesday, and this week we are going to discuss how to save time and be efficient when packing for vacation. And this kind of stemmed from the fact that I was away this past weekend, and I have been keeping this list for the past 5 years, and I only make small changes to it, and it honestly has been changing my packing situation and packing efficiency like crazy. I shared it with all my friends. They really like using it because it's a good way to not only make sure that you pack all of the necessary information or necessary items that you need, but it also is a good way to prevent overpacking because you make sure that you only pack what you really need, as well as if you take the list with you when you go on vacation, you could make sure that you pack everything to take it home. I know myself, I have left a few chargers and books, hairbrushes, things behind because I didn't go through the checklist and make sure that I packed it all up. And make sure that it didn't, I didn't leave it in a drawer or under a bed or something like that. So what you do is create, sorry if this is hard to see, an Excel sheet. And it is literally just your clothes for night, your clothes for day, your toiletries, essentials, and shoes. And part of the essentials is like sunglasses, chapstick, contacts, license, passport, anything like that you need, jewelry. So it's almost like miscellaneous, but at the same time it's an essential because I cannot leave home without it. It is something that I cannot purchase in a local store, especially like my contacts or something like that. And then what I do is I take the closed day and night column and change that. That's something that changes depending on where I'm going. But the one thing that typically remains the same are the toiletries. So it's not like every time you pack you have to think, okay, what do I need? Lotion, face wash, shower gel. It's all right here. And you just go down the list, checking it off. And also, if you're leaving early in the morning and you need to use some toiletries before leaving, or you can't pack it the night before, it's really a good way to make sure that you throw those last minute items in so that you don't leave without it. And I know this is a quicker Time Crunch Tuesday than normal, but I swear by this Excel sheet. And you could honestly do one for anything that you need. It could be for your daily planner, what you want to make sure that you bring to work, or if you're in school and you want to make sure that you have all the things for both school and after school for practice or extracurricular activities. So just keeping an Excel sheet with set columns is really helpful, and it will really help you keep focused and on track. So you could honestly pack as late as possible. You could wait till the last possible minute. I know I have before, and as long as I have everything that's on this sheet, I know that I'm in good shape. So the Time Crunch Tuesday tip of the week is to create an Excel sheet of all the things you need: closed day, closed night, toiletries, essentials, and shoes. And as long as everything is on that list that you need, you could prepare the list weeks in advance and literally pack within minutes before leaving for your trip. So that is my Time Crunch Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed this tip this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week, probably back in the kitchen to do something fun and prepare your healthy next meal. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.